intro.
Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In one of the previous videos in the Arduino playlist, I had given some information on using hex files with Arduino. There we have seen how we can generate a hex file using Arduino IDE and also upload it to the board using an Xloader application. This video will be the continuation of the previous one. So in this video, we'll be seeing one more interesting method of uploading hex and also extracting the hex file from the Arduino board using the command prompt. Even if we consider this Arduino IDE, this interface is made just for easy usage. But if we use this upload button, internally this application will also use some predefined commands for flashing the code. So we have to use the same command directly on the command prompt here. For that, we have to use this AVR downloader and uploader. So this is a program used for downloading and uploading the memory chips of the AVR family microcontrollers. So I have found this site which has very clear information about all the commands supported along with the steps. I'll also leave this link in the description box. So here they have mentioned some examples. Now we'll consider this example for writing the memory or for uploading the hex file. So this is the command we have to use on the command prompt. So using this as a reference, I'll create my command on the notepad. So first we have this driver program and second the config file. For downloading both of these files, you can directly visit the link from my description box. I have already downloaded the files, so I'll directly open from the downloads. So here we have both of them in the same folder. So first is the path of this driver program. So path we have to keep in double quotes. Next, also path of the config file. So this -p indicates the part number. In my case, it's Atmega 328p. Programmer we have to specify with -c, which is Arduino. Capital P for the port number. So here we have to give the COM port, which you can get it from the device manager under the port section. So in my case it's COM6. And -u for memory operations, and here we are uploading the program, so W is given to indicate write operation. So I'll copy the same. So here we have to give our hex file path, which I already have. So this is just an hex file created from Arduino Blink code. For now I'll use the same. Along with the file name. Yeah, that's it, the command. I'll copy this and I'll paste it on the command prompt. Paste the command and hit enter. Yeah, so that's it. We have successfully uploaded the code. So this is the step for uploading the hex file. So I'll just give upload here. Similarly, we can also read the hex file which is already inside the Arduino memory. For that, in the memory operation, we have to change this W to R, which means read. And here in the path, we can give where we want to save our hex file. So instead of this path, I'll give the path of the desktop. And here I'll change the name of the hex file to be saved as after read. So those are only the few changes you have to do. Again, I'll take this command. So the reading is in progress. Yeah, it's successful. So if I see the desktop, I can see the hex file, which is after read. So this is how you can read any hex file from the Arduino. So this is how you can use the command prompt to upload and download the hex files on Arduino. So I hope we got to learn something new on how the IDEs use the commands in the background. That's all for this video. For more videos and Arduino related projects, stay tuned and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.